Oh, hey, welcome. I was just smelling my coffee here, cleaning my sniffing palate. Welcome to Faithfully Bearded, the Faithful Studios. I'm Tyson. If you're new here, it's Monday. You know that. And on Mondays, we start a whole new week with a whole new company. We unbox it. We try it out all week long. You get to see our journey all week long. And Friday, we cap it off with a review and a live stream, and we give some of this stuff away, right? So, thank you for coming in. Subscribe, thumbs up, hit the bell so all your devices go off when I post a video. We have videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and today we are going to unbox a package from a company out of Alaska called Permafrost Beards. So, stay tuned for the intro, and we'll be right back. All right, thanks for checking that out. So, we have a package here from Permafrost Beard. And as you can see, the way I'm holding it, I already opened it. And I don't normally do that. Normally I open it on camera, you get my first impressions, and that's how an unboxing works, right? We tell you what's inside, we show you how it's packaged, how you're going to get it as a consumer. Well, I did that. And then I deleted the video on accident. So now, we're redoing it, and we're going to do it a little bit different because I deleted the old one. So we get to do it again. So let me just show you what the box looks like here. You got a nice little box. You got their branding on tape all the way around it, which is super cool. I love branding. It's a company out of Fairbanks, Alaska, it says. So we're going to open it up. And normally I would tip it up and I would say, like, here's what's in here. Well, and how it's packaged. Well, again, I already did that and deleted it. So I'm just going to kind of walk through what was all in the box and recall how it was packaged so you guys can get it. So everything was bubble wrapped in here. Then there was a piece of like paper, filler paper over the top with their business card. So you had their business card. Looks just like this right here. Look at that logo. You got their social media on here, the name. Nice face jacket is the logo, the slogan right there. So I think that's really cool. Veteran owned operated, the Made in Alaska seal of approval, and their Facebook and their Instagram, right? So, and their email address. So we have a couple of those business cards in here with their cool logo. I love the color scheme. I love their logo. It says keep your face jacket on. Just nice and unique. It kind of, I think just from looking at it, it's supposed to look like the Aurora Borealis or the Northern Lights, however you want to call it. But another cool thing in the package was they gave me this. So this is a coaster. But not only did I get one coaster, I got two. Not only did I get two, but I got three. Not only did I get three, but there's four. So 4 coasters in here. That's a pretty cool idea. I've never seen anybody do that. So I really like that. And the way I came across Permafrost, honestly, I think I was on Instagram and I saw them on there or something, so I went to their website, checked it out. I was like, I'm going to do a review on these guys. I ordered some stuff from them. I had it on the desk just sitting here in the box. I was like, I'll get to it. And then they jumped in one of my live streams one time on Instagram. I was like, oh, hey, Permafrost is in here. Like, I got some stuff from you guys, and I'm going to do a review on you. And he shot me an email. He's like, dude, I didn't even know it was you. Like, I was just jumping in your live stream. I didn't put 2 and 2 together about your order until you said something on a live stream. Like, let's have a phone call. Let's chit-chat. Let's see how we do things, how you do things, and see if it's the right scenario. And the reason for that is they do a lot of stuff up in Alaska. They do a lot of stuff for charity and things like that. And we do stuff for charity too. So we kind of hit it off with that and decided we were going to do this together. And with that, you know that the thumbs up that you give this video, the unboxings from Monday, goes to charity. Maddie and I, Faithfully Bearded, donate $1 per thumbs up to a charity for that week. Not only that, but this week, Permafrost is so involved with charity and just loves the idea so much, they're going to donate $2 per like. So we have a total of $3 per like on this video going to charity. So this is the battle cry. Bring all your friends, your spouses, have them create their YouTube account, subscribe, and hit the thumbs up on this so we can make Permafrost write a nice check to charity and Faithfully Bearded as well. So we're going to Love Inc., and they're going to go to their section up there in Alaska. We're going to go to our South Dakota section. I haven't seen an Instagram or anything for the Black Hills Love Inc. I'm trying to find them. We're going to call them and get involved with them so they know what we're doing. We're going to donate to the Black Hills portion. Permafrost is donating to the Alaska version of Love Inc., and we're going to raise some money for them this week. So I know all you guys like to help out with fundraisers and come together as a community, and all you have to do is give this video a thumbs up and pay attention all week long and be there Friday for the charity donation, review, live stream, devotional. So next thing we pull out of the box here, we have a nice big Permafrost sticker. So this is a nice big round sticker. It's got the matte look finish. I really like that. It's nice and big. It's as big as this coaster's. I mean, it is the same thing, big as the coaster. And then, not only that, but we have a little one. So if Aubrey wants to put one on her drink carrier, she can. So I like that. We have another little one. There's two. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is I'm going to just grab an oil. So these were wrapped in, they were in a Ziploc bag, and then taped over so it looked pretty nice, and then bubble wrap around it. So I unwrapped the bubble wrap, I pulled it out of the Ziploc bag, and I went like this for you guys to see. So check this out. Look at those labels. You got their awesome logo on here. You got the label. You see how the label right here, detail, it's not square corners, it's rounded around that side. Then you come around to this way, and then it's squared off. So on here you have Fairbanks, Alaska, Permafrost Beard. Minty Moose Drool would be the name of this one. Veteran owned and operated. Here's the ingredient list. Jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, essential oils, and fragrance. So I'm going to shake this up. You got that gorgeous blue bottle. Gorgeous blue bottle. I love that. I don't know if you guys can see it in the light. Now you can kind of see it with that blue bottle. We're going to twist this off here. We're going to give the dropper a nice squeeze. And look at that, almost a full dropper. Yeah, just about a full dropper on that. A light golden oil, nothing crazy, light golden. I get a nice little mint to it. I get a nice mint. I got a little on my finger from the first pump squirt with the eyedropper. So I'm going to wipe this off here just so we're not getting minty moose drool all over everything, okay? So we have the minty moose drool. It's got a nice mint scent to it. I get a little bit of peppermint, I believe it is, in there. So there's the minty moose drool. Next thing I'm going to grab, I'm just going to grab the matching balm. So check out these balms. Again, the awesome label. I love their color scheme, how they're doing their label. You got the 2-ounce tin here with the twist top. On the back, you have a nice black label. Same kind of thing as what's on their oil labels. It's the veteran owned and operated. The ingredients, so the ingredients of the balm: shea butter, beeswax, cocoa butter, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and fragrance. So we're going to open this up. Right underneath the lid, you have a guitar pick, and we're going to smell this. Now see, with this, I get the shea butter, the beeswax, the cocoa butter. I don't necessarily get the fragrance too much in this, which is okay. I like a strong fragrance balm, but at the same time with this, let me just try something real quick. Let me just see how it scoops out of here. So there you go. It's, I guess, kind of medium. It looks a little grainy. So we're going to put it on the palm. We're going to just go whoosh, until I kind of like that. I still don't get much scent. Not a ton of scent. I get the natural beeswax, the the natural beeswax, and then the shea butter in there as well. So not a ton of scent to it, but if the oil has the scent, the balm doesn't necessarily need to have the scent too. Then it's just double powering. So the next one I'm gonna grab is Yukon Spice. So you got the same bottle. This is just Yukon Spice. Look at that label again. We'll give it a good shake. Let me go cleanse my sniffer. Let me cleanse my sniffer with some coffee. Oh yeah, there we go. So now let me cleanse my throat with some more coffee. Oh, perfect. That is delicious. Yukon Spice. Let's just give this a scent. So I get spice, but I also get sweetness to end it. That's interesting. I like that. So this is like a, I don't know what Yukon means as far as a spice, but this is Yukon Spice, all right? So it's not just normal spice, it's Yukon Spice. So let me grab the Yukon Spice Balm here. So here you go. Let's just twist this lady off. Now this one I get, you got the guitar pick again. This one I get the Yukon Spice. I get some scent profile in here, so I like that. Again, I get the shea butter and I get the beeswax, but I get some of the Yukon Spice scent profile in there as well. So that's nice. Here we go with the last one. Focus up on here, camera. There you go. You got that gorgeous blue bottle, the awesome label. This is Tundra Tobacco. So let me cleanse my sniffing senses. There we go. And we are going to shake this up. We're going to open this up. Tundra Tobacco. And oh my, wow. I like that. This is a really good tobacco smell. So this is like opening a bag. This is like tobacco, like maybe fresh tobacco, but there's something to sweeten it up a little bit. So it's not super sweet tobacco, but it's not like dry tobacco. It's like fresh, moist tobacco with maybe some vanilla in there to sweeten it out a little bit. So this is really good. This will be the first one I try, to be honest with you, because I really like tobacco smells. And that one's really subtle and sweet, and I really like that. So here's the balm for the Tundra Tobacco. And I'm kind of 50-50. I get the Tundra Tobacco scent profile, but I also get a lot of beeswax. So these are going to be interesting in the beard because I'm not a huge fan of beeswax smell. So when it's in my beard and it overpowers the scent profile, I don't like it usually. But that's not to say it doesn't hold well and that it doesn't taint my beard the way I want it to. So I'm pumped about that. We're going to try it out. Box is empty. Aubrey's got to work. Alright, so here we go. We have a mustache wax. Mustache wax, I'm growing my mustache out, so I need this type of stuff. This is the Tundra Tobacco as well. And it's about the same thing, 50-50. I get the scent profile, but I also get the wax. So, and it's pretty hard. But it's a wax, right? So when you look at the ingredients, it's beeswax and jojoba oil and fragrance. So, to be expected with a mustache wax. Alright, and the last thing that I have from Permafrost is this. So this is an 8-ounce short bottle, and this is Tundra Tobacco beard wash. So we're going to see, man, looking at the ingredient list, water. Ugh. I don't know what it is with this water thing, but it keeps creeping into these washes and co-washes. And I'm just kind of starting to get a little mad at this water. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. I just like to make jokes. That's my dry sense of humor. So here we go. Let's try this out here. I'm just looking at the label. All right. Now this is the Tundra Tobacco. I definitely get the Tundra Tobacco scent. So I don't get like cleansers or anything like that. I get the Tundra Tobacco scent. You got that push top there that you can use with one hand. You can pour it out. Let's see how. Okay, moderately runny. Actually pretty runny. But you get the Tundra Tobacco scent. So that's really awesome. I'm excited to use that in the shower and to see how long it sticks around. Like, And I'm kind of excited to see if it, I mean, is this super stripping? Is this, it says it lathers. Is it super stripping? Is this like an all-in-one type thing? I'm excited to get in and try this out and see how it works. So there you have it. Those are the products. I got 3 scents, oils, balms, a mustache wax, and a beard wash to try out from Permafrost. So like I said, Monday's videos, the thumbs up, go to charity. We're getting $3 this week to Love Inc. charity for your thumbs up. So let's come out here. Let's get as many thumbs up as we can. Grab your friends and your family. Have them come like this video. Let's see. Let's just see if we can get to 75 or 100 likes. That is my challenge to you. Bring as many people as you can and get them to like the video. I want to see if we can get 100 likes. That's the challenge. Let's do it. Spread the word on Instagram. We're going to tag Permafrost. We're going to tag Love Inc. We're going to get as many people to subscribe and give it a thumbs up as possible, so at the end of the week we can write a nice big check to Love Inc. and help somebody out. So, you know the mantra, you be you. Do something nice for somebody today and give back. So how can you spread some positive word and shed the light on somebody's life today? Put it in the comments below of what your goal for this week is. I want to hear your goal. And you grab your coffee, shape your man-mane, and until I talk to you guys again, God bless you all.